Engineering precision requires more than static formulas. For complex processes, engicloud.ai integrates powerful libraries like Cantera to model real-world reactor dynamics with minimal setup. Here we simulate a continuous stirred-tank reactor. We define a system of perfect mixing, tracking the time evolution of temperature and species composition as reactants transform into products. The code initializes the gas state using the GRI-Mech 3.0 mechanism, a gold standard in combustion. Once we've defined our reactants, the platform initializes a perfectly stirred volume. Here, the IdealGasReactor class creates a digital twin of our physical vessel. The core engine of this simulation is the ReactorNet. It simultaneously solves the underlying mass and energy balances. By advancing the reactor network through discrete time steps, engicloud captures critical transient behaviors, tracking species like CO and methane as they reach a steady-state operating point. The results are recorded instantly. By storing these material parameters and results in a centralized database, your science stays alive and searchable. Whether you are a chemical engineer or a consultant, you can share this validated workflow with your team or the world. Complex chemistry simplified. Explore, execute, and curate in one place. engicloud.ai, the world's wisdom in one modeling platform.